こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today vocabulary video number 38 and we're going to see the difference between uchi and ie. In both cases, we can use the same kanji, this one. And this one we can pronounce uchi or ie and also ka or ya. But anyway, in this case today, we're going to learn the difference between uchi and ie and the meaning the house. At first, we're going to focus this red letter, ie. When we say ie, what it really means. When we say ie, it means 建物. 建物, it means building itself. So, ie is the place or the house where we live. As ie is physical house, so it means very 客観的. 客観的, it means objective. Now let's see some examples how to use ie. It takes around 15 minutes on foot from my house to school. In this case, when I say my house, this is my physical house. So we're going to use ie. 家から学校まで歩いて15分ぐらいかかります。家から学校まで歩いて15分ぐらいかかります。I bought this house 5 years ago. In this case, I'm also talking about my physical house. This is the construction, this building. So in this case, we're going to use 家。5年前、この家を買いました。5年前、この家を買いました。My house is on the 6th floor of this condominium building. This word, mansion. Mansion, you may think this is a very big and beautiful house, like a mansion. But it's not mansion in English. When we say mansion in Japanese, this is condominium building or a block of flat, apartment block. This is mansion. The counters of the floors on the building, this is 1階, this one. 1階、2階、3階、4階、5階、6階、7階、8階、9階、10階, and which floor? 何階? Kanji of the counter words of the floor is this one. Because if you write with this kanji, 1階、2階、3階, this means once, twice, 3 times. So it's different. 私の家はこのマンションの6階にあります。私の家はこのマンションの6階にあります。The teacher's house is very big, but it's far from the station. 先生の家はとても大きいですが、駅から遠いです。先生の家はとても大きいですが、駅から遠いです。Till here, I was talking about the real houses, the physical houses in all of these sentences, right? So we are going to use 家, and we usually write this 家 with this kanji. Now it's a turn to explain you うち. When we say うち, it is like home. I feel at home. Your home. So instead of house, the sensation of the home. And so this is 主観的. 主観的, it means subjective. When we say うち, this is like a more familiar. 家族, this is family. So more familiar feeling. We can also add this word お and おうち. When we say おうち, this is a kind of baby talk. The children talk おうち, this is my home. We are adults, but we can also use this おうち when we talk to children with so tenderly, so tenderness. あなたのお家はどこ? Where's your house? But with this word 家, the house, we usually don't add お. Another difference, When we say ie, we usually write with this kanji. But when we say uchi, we usually write with hiragana to separate. This is uchi, my home, and ie, and ie in kanji. We use this word uchi to describe my family members or my household. So this is the sound warmer than ie. Ie is the building, the house. We are a family of 4. In Japanese, we say 4人家族. 家族, this is family. And before the 家族, the persons, how many persons? In this case, 4人家族. For example, a family of 3, 3人家族. And a family of only 2, 2人家族. うちは or 私のうちは4人家族です。うちは4人家族です。A child is telling his mommy, I wanna go home. I wanna go home soon. The adverb 早く, it means soon. 早く. And this comes from adjective 早い. And 早い means early. I wanna return. I wanna go back. The verb 帰ります return home. And I wanna go home without must and we add たいです。帰りたいです。I wanna go home. 帰りたい。帰りたい。早くお家に帰りたいです。早くお家に帰りたいよ。早くお家に帰りたい。I had very delicious wine in my friend's house. 友達の家でとても美味しいワインを飲みました。友達の家でとても美味しいワインを飲みました。We can also use this word うち for my own thing or our own things. That something that belongs to us or belongs to me. うちの猫 my cat. うちの犬 my dog or our dog. They are here. They are here at home. They belong to us. うちの子 my child, my boy, my girl. うちの親 my parents. We can also use this word うち not only about at home, but also that somewhere that I belong to. For example, うちの学校 my school. うちの会社 our company or my workplace. うちの会社 I think you understand these two words by now, right? When we say うち we usually write with hiragana and it means home. And when we say ie, we usually write ie with kanji and it means this house, this building. Once you understand these differences, I'm going to tell you something that may give you some impact. Basically, all the sentences that we use with ie, we can replace this word うち. It means うち, this word also can mean this building, the house itself also. This word うち has a broader meaning than ie. And we, Japanese, we usually use うち much more than ie. You are learning Japanese and you may wonder which one to use. I don't know which one to use, うち or ie. In this case, then you can choose うち. Then you are right. Anyway, I didn't want to tell you this at first because I wanted you to know what is the difference between うち and ie. There's a small difference of nuance. Now a quiz time with 5 questions, 5 translations into Japanese. In this quiz, if you use うち all the time, it will be also okay. But as this is a quiz, I want you to distinguish うち or ie because my sentences are going to be very clear. So I don't think you are going to have a lot of doubts. Okay? So please use うち or ie, not all the time うち. Okay? 1番目 This house is already very old. So I wanna buy a new one. I wanna buy a new house. 2番目 All of my family like this movie or this film. 3番目 I wanna eat with my family at home tonight. 4番目 I've been at home all day long yesterday. 5番目最後です。I'm going to move into a new house next week. I hope it's clear the difference between uchi and ie and how to use them and in which condition. If you liked this video and you think it's worthwhile that I continue making more videos, please give me like and also your subscription. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you can help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日はこの漢字がうち、そして家、そう呼びますよね。でもそのちょっとした違いについてお話ししました。このビデオを見てこの違いが分かってくださったら本当に嬉しいです。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、もしくは役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、そしてチャンネル登録お願いいたします。そして日本語が興味ある方をご存知でしたら、ぜひ私のビデオをシェアしてください。最後まで見てくださって本当にありがとうございます。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょうね。じゃあね。